If you are saving yourself in 2026, then you must know these GPU features. Number 1. GPU cores, parallel processing power. Each GPU has hundreds or thousands of cores, CUDA cores for NVIDIA and stream processors for AMD. Think of cores as workers in a factory. Each core performs tasks simultaneously. Example, rendering a game frame requires lighting, textures, shadows, and physics. Each core handles a small piece of this workload. More cores generally equals higher parallel performance, but architecture improvements can make fewer cores more efficient. 2026 example, an NVIDIA RTX 4090 with 16,384 CUDA cores can process more visual data than an older GPU with 18,000 less efficient cores. Number 2. Clock speeds, base and boost. Clock speed indicates how fast cores operate. Base clock equals guaranteed minimum speed. Boost clock equals maximum speed under load. Modern GPUs dynamically adjust clocks based on temperature, workload, and power consumption. High clock plus efficient cooling equals better sustained performance. Example, a GPU may have a base clock of 2.2 GHz, but can boost to 2.6 GHz under heavy gaming, giving smoother frame rates. Number 3. VRAM, video memory. That matters. VRAM stores textures, 3D models, frame buffers, and AI data. Importance: without enough VRAM, GPUs swap data to slower system RAM, causing stutter or lag. 2026 recommendations: 8 to 12 gigabytes for 1080p to 1440p gaming or casual content creation. 16 gigabytes plus for 4K, VR, AI workloads, or professional rendering. Example, high-resolution textures in Cyberpunk 2077 or AI video rendering can easily use 12 to 16 gigabytes VRAM. Number 4. Ray tracing and AI features. Ray tracing simulates realistic light, shadows, reflections, and refractions. It transforms visuals from good to cinematic. AI features like DLSS 3.0 or FSR 3.0 upscale frames to higher resolutions without lowering performance. Why it matters? In 2026, games and creative software increasingly rely on hardware-accelerated ray tracing and AI. Without them, you may not get future-ready visuals. Example, AI upscaling can make a 1080p game run like 4K without losing detail. Number 5. Display and connectivity. Modern GPUs support HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort 2.1, USB-C, and multiple monitors. Supports high refresh rates, 120Hz, 144Hz, 240Hz, 4K/8K output, and VR setups. For creators, color accuracy and HDR support are essential. Example, a YouTuber editing in 4K HDR will need a GPU with sufficient VRAM and DisplayPort 2.1 to preview edits in real time. Number 6. Power consumption and efficiency. TDP. High-end 2026 GPUs can consume 300 to 450 watts TDP. Proper PSU and airflow are crucial. Overheating reduces performance and longevity. Efficiency matters. Newer GPUs deliver more performance per watt, saving electricity and reducing heat. Example, an RTX 4090 draws about 450 watts, but modern RDNA 3 cards may achieve similar FPS at 300 watts. Number 7. Cooling and form factor. Cooling directly impacts boost clock stability and lifespan. Types: dual or triple fans, blower style, or liquid cooling. Form factor matters. Ensure GPU fits your case and airflow supports it. Example, a 3-fan GPU may provide better sustained performance than a smaller dual-fan card. Number 8. Software and driver support. Drivers optimize performance, stability, and unlock features. NVIDIA and AMD release updates for gaming, AI, and rendering improvements. Utilities allow overclocking, monitoring, and fine-tuning. Example, DLSS improvements are delivered through driver updates, making your GPU perform better without hardware changes. Number 9. Price to performance. Mid-range GPUs in 2026 often deliver 80 to 90% of flagship performance at half the cost. Focus on benchmarks for your workload, not just specs. Example, a mid-range card might hit 4K 60 FPS just as well as a flagship card in certain games, saving hundreds of dollars. Number 10. Future-proofing your GPU. Look for hardware ray tracing, AI cores, PCIe 5.0 support, and driver updates. Future-proof GPUs remain relevant for 3 to 5 years, saving money and avoiding upgrades. Example, investing in a GPU with DLSS 3.0 support ensures AI-enhanced games continue to run smoothly in the future.